Okay, we have a 2012 Toyota Sienna XLE with the NorthStar conversion here. Going to do a demonstration on the vehicle. Point out any dings, dents, or scratches as we go. Got a little scrape there on the front bumper. Overall, the vehicle's in great shape. This is the XLE, so you get the fog lights and the nice wheels here. Got good tires. You can tell it's the NorthStar because it has these nice skirting here. And then it says NorthStar right there. There's a little scrape right there on the skirt there. This is the 14.9-inch drop. You can see how tall that they raised this up to make sure that that's all balanced out. You don't scrape the ground. There's a little scratch there. There's a little scrape there. Okay, so how this works is you can either press the button on the key, or there's a button right here on the dash. It's the VMI button. You just press that. I don't know if you can see, but when it flashes green like that, that means everything is good and the vehicle is opening. So the door will open up and then the ramp comes out, and then it actually kneels down as well. So that kneel is what allows the ramp to be at a nice low incline here. So a manual chair has an easier time getting up. And then we have a 30-inch wide ramp here. And then the vehicle opens up and it's very spacious back here because we have the Access 360 cut. That cut back there is because they modified the rear suspension to allow for your foot plate on the wheelchair to come in and turn around. That way you're facing forward here. And then both of these front seats are on pedestals here, so those can slide out. You can actually see the wheels right there for that to roll off. Then we have the dash system here. This is an XLE with heated seats. You've got the information display up here. You have your radio here. You've got 3-zone climate control, left and right and rear. Cup holder sits here. You've got steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, and then your cruise control is right here. So overall, very spacious vehicle. You have the sure deploy system here, so you can turn that on and have the ramp come in and out. And then there's a third way. You basically pop this off and you're able to crank the ramp in and out since it's an in-floor ramp. And then to shut the vehicle, there's a button here on the door pillar. So you can click that, or you can click the remote or the VMI button once you're inside as well. That ramp's going to come in, the door's going to shut, and then it's going to raise back up. Just like that. And back in the trunk here, you have a set of straps here, so that's to tie down the wheelchair. And then you have your spare tire up underneath here as well. So that's how that works. And then you've got a power lift gate here. You can also use the button on the key fob, or you can use the one that is on the center console as well. Other than that, pretty straightforward. Thank you so much for watching.